In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find contact leads in Apollo.io by employer company. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the Apollo.io website and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, it's easy to sign up. Once you're in, head over to the homepage. The homepage serves as your dashboard, and from here you can access various features of Apollo.io designed to streamline your lead generation process. Next, locate and click on the People section. This is the area of Apollo.io where you can manage and organize your leads efficiently. Navigating to this section gives you access to a powerful set of tools to help you filter and find contact leads that best meet your business needs. Once you're in the People section, you'll find a variety of filters that can help you refine your search. Click on the Company filter. Applying this filter is crucial as it enables you to target your search for contact leads based on specific companies you are interested in. It's particularly useful if your outreach strategy requires targeting individuals from specific organizations. Now that you've selected the company filter, it's time to input the names of the employer companies you're interested in. This search functionality is intuitive within Apollo.io, allowing you to type the name of the company directly into the search bar. It's a great way to focus your search exclusively on contacts from your target organizations. Let's use an example for this instructional video. Say you're interested in finding leads who work for Xiaomi. Simply type Xiaomi into the search bar. Apollo.io will now display a list of contact leads that are employed by Xiaomi. It's a comprehensive list, organized in a way that's easy to navigate. You'll be able to see employees' details, including their roles within the company, giving you valuable insights into who might be the best contact for your outreach initiative. Finally, take a moment to explore the various ways you can interact with these contact leads. You can save them to a specific list for future campaigns or integrate them directly into your existing CRM system for immediate action. This feature is particularly useful if you're managing multiple campaigns or working with a team, as it ensures all your contacts are well organized and easily accessible. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to find contact leads in Apollo.io by employer company. Remember, with Apollo.io's targeted search capabilities, you can streamline your process for gathering high-quality leads. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Happy prospecting!